Hi! In front of me is Honor 7X, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration features on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and clicking on sound. Over here, click on the switcher next to vibrate in silent mode. This way, your phone will vibrate even if it's muted. Then scroll down and click on the switchers next to vibrate when ringing to SIM 1 or SIM 2 to enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls. Now you need to click on the switcher next to vibrate on touch to turn it on or off. And that's all. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!